Our day may have turned off a little stormy out there, but it sure started off nice down in Elephant Butte. How about this shot from Barbara Jackson? Notice how calm and peaceful the water is. One of the boats there kind of silhouetted. This picture come in, pics at krqa.com, and that's the way you can get your weather pictures to us as well. Now, I will tell you the weather is still looking okay down around Elephant Butte, at least for now, although there is a little bit of a thunderstorm up to the north. But speaking of thunderstorms, solid line of weather now showing up from just outside of Raton, Colfax County under a flood advisory now until 7:15. That works down to the east side of the Central Mountain Chain and all the way down into the northern reaches there of the Sacramentos. Close-up look at what's going on around the metro. We've got a couple of pop-up type thunder showers that have just started developing in south-central parts of Sandoval County. Right now, all is in the clear as far as the metro goes. That is good news for folks getting ready for that big Lobo football game out there. And, of course, the throngs of people out at the State Fair. So far, so good there as well. But we do have this cool front that's been in the picture. That has helped offer up a few of these extra showers and storms out there today. And this front continues to more or less kind of send in the moisture behind it. So with moisture in place, we're going to move into what we call recycle mode tomorrow. When we recycle the showers and storms, the most likely locations will be the mountains because the western half of the state is mountainous. That's where we'll see the most numerous storms. Could still see an isolated storm or two in the east, but probably not as much activity as you've had today. And then you kind of get in that little middle ground as far as Albuquerque Metro is concerned. We don't tend to get as many of these recycle showers in the city, but what can happen, some of these can develop over parts of the Jemez, possibly over the Sandia and drift in. So we're going to introduce a slight chance for a little thunder shower tomorrow afternoon. When it comes to temperatures, going to be almost identical to today. So far, 79's been the high temperature out at the Sunport. That's what we have right now with a little bit of a south breeze. But you can see the rain-cooled atmosphere off to the east side of the Central Mountain Chain. 50s and 60s here, and it has rained. Now, we've got a very, I like to say, convoluted weather pattern going on here. We've got a pretty good storm working over Texas. You got another one back here in southern parts of Wyoming, and then the land of enchantment's just got it trapped in between it. But as long as we keep this moisture, which we will do for the next couple of days, I still see those afternoon showers and storms getting recycled. Now, when it comes to forecasting temperatures, the extra cloud cover will keep us a few degrees below normal, not by much, but a couple of degrees out there. And once those showers set in, obviously you cool a lot, but folks down south have to be loving this. You've finally gotten out of that 90-degree weather pattern that you spent the entire summer in. Places like Carlsbad and Hobbs only in the low to mid 80s tomorrow. We'll look for upper 60s and low 70s in the East Mountains and, upper 70s and low 80s potential for high temperatures throughout much of the Rio Grande as far as the metro is concerned. But there is that chance for thunderstorms, and we're in that recycle mode, which means mountainous terrain is most favored. So you can see the next several days up in Santa Fe, you got a really good chance at spotting some of those thunder showers. A little less chance through the middle part of the week in Albuquerque, but late in the week, a pretty good storm system could work in. So all in all, we're still talking rain around here.
Awesome. Thanks, Jason. Almost feels like we're in Seattle. Not
quite, though. It does a little bit, doesn't it?
All right. Thank you.